Dodson is adorable. He's trying to be sweet now. Guilty eyes, I know. Oh, there's Opal. They made her drop her poof. Oh, she's got her poof. Oh my goodness, Opal. Nobody's trying to take your toy. Thank you, Jamie. Opal. She runs around growling with it. She's looking around. She's wanting somebody to get it. Nobody wants her toy. She's crazy. Nobody wants your toy but you. Thank you, Malibu. Oh, there she is. She snuck out under the blanket. She tries to tease everybody with her toys. I don't